Lesson number 9, English to you, Mien. Now that you've learned to ask questions using the Mien language to learn new words and phrases, and you've learned how to confirm and reconfirm that you're getting it right in your own head, the next thing that you might want to learn how to do is spell and write down the new things you're being taught. This will help you capture and crystallize what you're learning even better. So in English, it might go something like this. How do you spell that word? Mien, once again, how do you spell that word? Daaih.